How to recover your Facebook language to English. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to open Facebook app on your mobile. As you open Facebook app on your mobile, then you have to navigate yourself to these three lines that are located on the top right corner and click on that. And after going to that, you have to go on the settings option. After going to the settings option, you have to scroll down and you have to find the option of language and region. As you click on language and region, you have to change the language of whatever thing you want. Like say you want to change the language of your post, then you have to click on that language and you can turn it back to whatever language that you want. This is how you can change your language to English on Facebook. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. And also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.